Hello, this is the fourth video for the 5 New Technologies assignment. Of all the web-based resources I have shared through these tutorials, Code.org is my favorite. I first learned of Code.org through a professional development class that was offered to 2nd and 4th grade teachers in my school system. Since attending the class, I have jumped on every opportunity I can to incorporate coding into my classroom. Code.org was originally designed to introduce students to coding, as this is quickly becoming a valuable skill. The concept is simple. Students have to input code in order to win a game. In my classroom, however, I've taken coding a step further. I like to first introduce this website to students when we discuss cause and effect. After briefly reviewing the controls, the students play around and connect their directions, the causes, to the reactions of their on-screen character, the effects. I have also used Code.org when explaining sequence of events. However, the most beneficial use of this website comes with the problem-solving skills that are developed. With both the unplugged and online activities, students have to think about the beginning, middle, and end of a sequence, test their theories, and at times start over again from scratch. Yet, I have never once heard a student complain. Instead, I often hear classmates working together and offering suggestions, making it an ideal website to promote student discussion and understanding of a variety of skills. Depending on how a teacher allowed Code.org to be used in the classroom, almost all the ISTE standards for teachers and students could be utilized. However, I think this website is a prime example of ISTE Student Standard 4B, Planning and Enacting Strategies to Solve Problems, and ISTE Teacher Standard 2A, Incorporate Technology into Meaningful Learning Experiences. The last reason I love Code.org can be summed up right here. Anybody can learn. Code.org targets minorities and girls, reminding us all that our potential is not limited to our race or gender, but is in fact boundless. As with the other tutorials, I created a demo login, which will take us to our teacher page. Here I can monitor student progress or my own. I have access to lesson plans, even community help. Generally, at this point in the school year, I let the students play Code.org during indoor recess. One of their favorites are the mazes. At the beginning of the first level for the mazes, there will be a video or notes. Those give hints on how to complete the maze. Next, I have to practice coding. I'd want my bird, to run forward. And that didn't work, so I'd have to do it again. After completing the first maze, I can move on to the second, third, and so forth. Code.org is one of those websites where students learn without knowing it. They have fun, they practice at home and school, but they learn.